We are currently looking for a chief officer from Romanian seafarers to join on board as soon as possible. The position is offered on a 2.5 months on-off contract operating under Belgian flag. The vessel has a gross tonnage of 24,600 tons and a dead weight of 28,468 tons. Valid STCW certifications for the chief officer rank are an absolute requirement. Previous experience on similar size vessels or Belgian flag vessels will be considered an advantage. Salary is experience-based. Junior chief officers in their first year of rank will receive €9,625 per month, while senior chief officers will be offered €10,365 per month. Interested candidates who are available to join immediately are requested to submit their CV, certificates, and references. Only applicants meeting all requirements will be contacted. Please send your resume to Candina Group.